If you have sleep apnea, you're not alone. Millions of people have it. And although the idea of sleeping with a mask and device may not thrill you, treating your sleep apnea can have big benefits. By using your sleep therapy every night, you can reduce the risk of serious medical conditions associated with untreated sleep apnea. Those include diabetes, stroke, heart attack, high blood pressure, daytime sleepiness, and even depression. And you'll likely see benefits such as increased energy and memory, along with being less forgetful and irritable. The most common treatment for sleep apnea is positive airway pressure therapy, or CPAP therapy. This has been the gold standard for treating sleep apnea for decades. It works by passing a gentle flow of air through flexible tubing to a mask that you wear on your face. This flow of air opens your airway so you can breathe freely while you sleep. To get the most of your sleep apnea therapy, try these tips. First, be patient. It may take a few weeks to adjust to using therapy and before you start to feel more rested. Second, try wearing your mask around the house to get used to it. You can also use your mask and device while watching TV, reading, or doing any other relaxing activity to help you adjust. Third, your mask may not feel comfortable. Review your instructions to adjust the fit if needed. Or try a different type of mask. There are many options. Not everyone adjusts to the first mask they try. Fourth, there are features that increase your comfort. For example, the ramp feature on our System 1 device family lets you fall asleep on a lower pressure. Fifth, your mask and tubing need to be regularly cleaned and replaced for best performance. Your home care provider can give you details. As you adjust to therapy, you may wonder about how it's going or need more help. Our free SleepMapper mobile app and web self-management solution is great support. It lets you see your therapy results, view videos, troubleshoot, set goals, and more. SleepMapper works with most of our System 1 devices and can be downloaded at sleepmapper.com, iTunes, or Google Play. Despite the many benefits, some people stop using their therapy because they have trouble adjusting, but these issues can be addressed. It's important to stick with it. At Philips, we're dedicated to seeing that you live your best life. So let us know if you have any questions about our products along the way. Congratulations on taking control of your health by using your sleep therapy system. You're joining the millions of people who are enjoying better days and more restful nights. It's time to take back your dreams. For more information, see sleepapnea.com. Innovation and you. Philips Respironics.